welcome you all to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So today we have this bone. We're gonna be making bone stock. So it's gonna be very easy recipe. Watch out how I am gonna make this bone stock. These are all bone. This bone is trimmed out from the meat. We just keep it here to make the stock. So I'm gonna be making stock. This is beef bone. I'm gonna be making stock and also call it broth. So watch out how I am gonna make this stock. So I'll be bringing out all the vegetable. First we need to wet this paper and put it under this cutting board so that it will not be slippery when we are making the cutting. So we already wet that and put it. See, it will not move anymore, just stay. So right now I'm just gonna bring out all the vegetable we're gonna be using. We need carrots, onions, and celery. We need celery, and also we need bay leaves, and these are the stem of parsley. So right away, those one will go at the end. So right away, these are the one we're gonna use with this very stock. So right now, just cut it bigger, just big. Everything is already washed, and these are the carrots. I already peel it. So now we just take out the part that is not appealing, then just cut it. So the bigger part of it, you can cut it in two also. Same way with this one. Just cut it. So now it's time to cut the onions. Same way, you just cut the onions. So it depends on how many kilo of bone you're going to use for your stock. That's when you add more onions, more carrot, and celery. So I'm using just a kilo of bone. So this is one of the stock you will make and you will enjoy. Using it to cook all your meals, you will be very enjoyable. So right now, let's start with the cooking. Everything is already done. So we're going to start with the bone. Right away, we're just going to add the bone. Put the bone in the pot. And I'm just going to add all the vegetable that I prepped. These are the celery, carrots, and the onions. Just put everything in there. Then we're just going to fill it up with the water. Just water. So just add more water. This water has to be around here. You see, around here. So see, just fill it up to that level. Yes. So this is it. When it's not cooked, very well cooked, the water will not reduce to the middle. So this stock will be very good in cooking all your meals. You don't really need Maggi and you don't really need any seasoning. With this stock alone, your food will come out very delicious. So this is it. This is the stock now. We're just going to leave it here to cook for hours. and later on, that's when we add the remaining ingredients. It's going to be the stem of parsley, and this is called bay leaf. That will be the last one we will put in to give it aroma. But for now, we just have to leave it here and let it cook for hours so that the water will reduce and all this maple that we put inside will now soak into the bone and bring out a good taste of this bone. You don't add no maggi, you don't add salt, you don't add anything. Just let it cook. Then when you want to start using the broth to cook anything, you want to cook soup, stew, rice, or anything you want to cook, that is when you start adding your own seasoning if you want salt and all. But for now, just cook it without nothing except this maple. So watch out. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome to this very channel. This is a place where you will learn how to make a lot of dish, and please subscribe to this channel and also share for others to see. Thank you all, and continue the cooking. So this is it. Just take out all the top. These are always from the meat. Anytime you are boiling meat, you'll see it on top. So just take it out. It's fat. So this is it. Now you can see this stock. These are all plain stock. So right now, I'm just going to add the parsley to this very stock now to give it aroma. These are the stem from parsley. Just going to put them in there. And these are bay leaves. We're just going to add all the bay leaves. We just let it all cook. So I will show it when everything is very well cooked. Right now, just let it stay there to start cooking. This is the stock, and it's already ready to serve out. You can leave it for a whole day to be cooled down before you can take out the stock. So right now, I'm going to just show you how I am going to do that. Just going to take out all the stock and keep them in the fridge. So this one is already done. So this is the stock right now. There are different ways of making stock. So this very one now, I can use it to cook anything I want to cook. Soup, anyone. So thank you all for watching this video, and also please subscribe to this channel and also share this video. Thank you. Bye for now.